Welcome back to the next video. So this is part 2 of creating our Godot Speedy spaceship game. So yeah, let's get started. So first what we'll have to do is we'll have to add camera to our player. So I'll just go to our player, add camera 2D. Okay, I'll just save it. Next we'll create a new scene. We'll add area 2D to it. Area 2D. We'll add a collision polygon 2D because we want to create path, right? I'll just go to this 2D thing, so 2D view, and here I'll just click on create point tool, which is this. Now I want to draw a shape so that like a zigzag shape for the player to move. Now you can draw whatever you feel like. So I'll just draw something like this. You just have to left click to draw this. Yeah, I have created a extremely simple one. Okay, because I want to create. Now you have to click at the very start point to join it. It will automatically join it. You don't have to worry. Suppose you are not happy with the shape, you can just click on this edit point as well, then select whatever point you want and just move it. If you want to completely erase it, you have erase points as well, which will help us to erase one or more points. Yeah, next we will save it as inside scenes, give a name as maze, save it. Here also I will name it as maze. Okay, I'll just quickly save it. Then we'll have to add it to level 1. I'll go to level 1, add our maze. Oh sorry, not over here, we have to use this link node. Okay, so maze, and I'll move maze behind player because we want the player at the very top. Then you can also go to ordering, make the z index of your maze as -50 or whatever you feel like. I'll quickly save this. Then I'll select my player, I'll move it to our path. So this is where our path starts. Don't worry even if it was moving. So you might be thinking that how our player will be visible. It will be visible because we have added camera to our player. So don't worry about it. Go back to your maze and then add polygon 2D node. And here you will have to again go back to collision polygon 2D. you will have to copy this, copy value, go to polygon 2D, and here go to data, paste value. Next we will add a texture to this. So I'll just take this, I'll take dark purple, drag and drop inside the texture, and for repeat I'll set this as enabled and quickly save this. I'll quickly save this. Now go to level 1 and play it, and here you can see our player. Now this is extremely difficult because as you can see it is moving out. We haven't written the logic yet, but yeah. Okay, so the next step which we have to do is we have to select our maze which we have added, and we'll have to go to node, and here you can just add this body exited signal. So basically it will track that the player has exited from the particular maze, and if the player do that, I'll just put it at the top. If the player do that, we will just reload our screen. Now to reload our screen you can use something like get tree dot reload current scene. Okay, next what we have to do, we have to add canvas layer at the top. So I'll just save this, I'll go over here, and here you can just search for canvas layer. So this basically acts as a parallax effect. I'll move background to this, and we'll have to make the layer go over here as -10. I'll go to 2D view again. Even though here it's not displaying that, but once you run it you should be able to see the parallax effect. Next we'll add some labels as well. So I'll just select our level. I'll add one label. I'll just duplicate it. So for that you can just do Control D or Command D, and here I'll just pick label 3. I'll move it over here. Okay, I'll select label 2. I'll just expand this and move it over here, and here I have one label 1, so I'll just move it over here. Now we have to change the Z index for all our label. So I'll select all 3 of this. I'll go over here, ordering Z index -25, and here I'll add some text. So this is the start point, and label 3 is the end point. Now I'll just select label 1 and label 2. I'll go over here, label settings, select this font. I change the font to 34. Okay, now it is visible. I'll go to label 2. Here I can add some rules. Okay, use up, down, left and right key to move. And here again I'll go to label settings, select this, update it to 20. I'll just expand this as well so that it is properly visible. I can make this, I think, 25. All right, so last what we have to do, select this background, select this plus, and here you will have to select this one, full rect, so that whenever we expand our window it looks nice. So if I run it, and here you can see these are our rules, start, end, and if I expand it, here you can see it is now properly displayed. So yeah, that's it. Let's see if I'm able to complete it. Yeah, I made it pretty easy for myself, but you can make it difficult. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.